Let me show you a way to use the TWA Candles Premium Indicator on multiple time frames as confirmation for your trading strategies. Here we are on the Euro USD Forex chart with the 4-hour and 30-minute time frames, with the 4-hour chart on the top and the 30-minute chart on the bottom. The settings I have on this indicator are the simple candle coloring settings with 3 different colors representing the trend. As you can see here, we are in a longer-term uptrend, as shown by the candle color staying green on the 4-hour time frame. However, as you can see, during this period of time in the 30-minute time frame, the candle coloring was mostly green, but had some variation, with the candle color turning red at some points. This is because it is more responsive and able to detect potential trends earlier. By combining both of these time frames together, we are able to use both the longer-term 4-hour sentiment and the shorter 30-minute sentiment to detect potential trends and enter a trade with more confirmation. As you can see here, there was a lot more variation in the 30-minute chart, which indicates that a downtrend may occur. However, the candle coloring on the 4-hour chart is still green, which may suggest that the uptrend may continue. If we look further, we can see that eventually, the candle color of the 4-hour time frame turned red. This indicates that a downtrend will occur, and with the additional confirmation that the 30-minute time frame provides, you can be secure with downtrend entry and short. As you can see, a significant long-term downtrend ended up occurring, which would have net you significant profit. Apart from having more confirmations for your trades, using the TWA Candles Premium Indicator on multiple timeframes can allow you to have an understanding of when the downtrend may end by using shorter, more responsive timeframes such as the 30-minute timeframes and looking at the changes in color that occur. This way, you can take profit accordingly and ensure that your risk is managed well. Check out the TWA Discord server to get access and start using this powerful tool for yourself.